Let me show the testing of 500 watts shockwave and 6 meters power amplifier with SD2933 MOSFETs inside and a touch screen. The LPF bands could be changed manually, but the best solution is to use the automatic band decoder, as I do. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts. Other power supplies are inside the box. This is the 50 ohms dummy, 25 ohms dummy load. Reference power meter is a Barrett 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, which means 2.5 kilowatt full scale. I will drive it with the ISO transceiver. Power is set to 70 watts, but it is connected to amplifier input through 6 decibel attenuator, which divides the power 4 times down, so 17.5 watts comes to amplifier input only. Well, internal power meter is calibrated here on 20 meters according to Barrett. Let me show. 500 watts, same as here. Okay. Now I will show how it works, starting from 160 meters. Tuning. Then 80. 40. 'Then some CW manipulation. This is me. 1, 2, 3. This radio has the huge LC spike, so our protection will be enabled sometimes with the SSB modem. For example, another band will be slightly better, maybe. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me show how protection works. Let me return to central frequency, 20 meters. Then I will replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25 to represent SWR on output as high as 2 to 1. Then I will try to transmit, and the highest WR protection is enabled. To to reset it, I have to switch off, wait a few seconds, and then switch on. Now look, if I decrease the driving power, the amplifier is working with the half power level with the highest WR. But if I increase the drive, well, protection will be enabled. Switch off and return the 50 ohms dummy. Switch on, add the drive to our 70 watts. Okay, it works. If I occasionally drive more than 20 watts, for example 20 exactly, high power protection is enabled. Once again, switch off, switch on. I changed the band to 17 meters. High current protection is added to high power on this band. Well, switch off, return to 70 watts. Okay, it's working. Now this is the band with the highest current, maybe just 1 watt below and all will be okay. Well, I think that's all.